Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire dehumidifier is showing you the EC error code, it typically means that the unit has detected a refrigerant system issue or sealed system malfunction. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to unplug your dehumidifier and then simply wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before plug it back in, and this can sometimes clear the temporary control board glitches or false refrigerant related readings. After doing so, you just have to simply clean the air filter and the coil. So sometimes the restricted airflow can cause the system to overwork and then trigger the EC warning. So you need to remove its air filter and inspect the evaporator and the condenser coils for dust buildup that may be reducing cooling efficiency. Now, dehumidifiers may struggle in the room that is too cold or which can then affect the refrigerant pressure readings. So you need to simply ensure that the unit is operating within the Frigidaire's recommended temperature range. Now, excessive frost on the coils may indicate the airflow restrictions and the refrigerant problems. So you need to simply allow the unit to fully defrost before restarting and monitor performance. Now, if the EC error returns repeatedly, the problem may involve low refrigerant, compressor failure, or refrigerant leaks. And in these cases, a professional service or a replacement evaluation would be a great option for you. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.